With me now, with her allergies, please welcome Mari G, founder and event director of Black Night Market. We're going to talk about some Soulfull Festival and holiday Black Night Markets. It's been a while since I've seen you. Welcome back, my dear.
Thank you.
God, you are a busy woman. You create, and then you take a break, and then you go back at it again, don't you? So it's how have you been and what's new with you? Because I know you did take a break, but you took a break to create. So tell us about that.
So we actually took a break to travel. Black Night Market was in Seattle this year on Pier 62.
Wow.
We were also in Bremerton for the Quincy Jones Festival. So that was our first time like stepping out of home, our comfort zone.
Yes.
So that's new with us, and our reimagined festival, along with our Poetry After Dark sessions. We've been really busy.
You have been busy. So let's talk about what inspired this year's Soulfull Festival theme and vision. Because you constantly reinvent yourself. Sometimes when I think, how does she come up with new ideas? But you do. How did this one come about?
So Soul Food Festival last year, right, was the name, but this year it's called Soulfull, and we really want to break this narrative that soul food is only one kind of food. I really believe that soul food comes from various cultures, heritage, traditions, generations. So at this festival, we will have Southern comfort, we will have barbecue, we'll have African, Trinidadian, Jamaican, we have Korean, we have Hispanic food, we have all kinds of food. And along with our performance lineup that highlights neo soul, R&B, and hip hop music, we have comedy, we have Kids Zone, our beer garden with Tacoma Arts Live. This year we have 3 interactive activities for community to join in. We have a open mic session for poetry, and then we have an open mic session for a cipher, and then we have our comedy hour as well, with in between singers and performances and musicians. So it's gonna be really more interactive. We also have line dancing too.
Oh, there we go.
So yeah, we have more interactive where we want the community to come do and get on the stage as well.
Oh, I love that. Anytime there's dancing on the stage, count me in. So you're making some powerful moves, not just the events, but you're also you're unraveling, or you're rolling out a new donation initiative. Tell us about that effort and what inspired it.
Yeah, so last year we had 23 food vendors at the Soul Food Festival.
Wow.
And we were able to do that through Sound Credit Union and their sponsorship. They were able to help 4 businesses get into that space, and we matched it. So we were able to pay for 8 health department fees. So the Soul Food Access Initiative is to help break the barriers that most food businesses face when they want to be at a festival. They have to pay the health department, the city, and us on top of already having an establishment and like a restaurant. So it's like, it's easier for them to just be in their own restaurant than to pop up, right? So the Soul Food Access is to break those barriers and those expenses. So we take donations to help pay for those blanket permits. We're also taking donations for performance artists to help compensate them fairly to perform at the markets, because a lot of people love coming and watching the performers. So, and then our last one is if you had a favorite vendor, you can just pay their fee and they can come.
So like if I wanted to pay for Lobo Bakery to be there, knowing what you have just said, and I could see Miguel's head snap over here, because you're speaking the truth here. It's like for Lobo Bakery to show up, it's not just as easy as them showing up. It has to do with, this is the person that makes everything. So who's going to run the bakery while you are at a festival? That's a great question. You've thought about that. I love that. So where can we make donations? Website?
Yes, go to blacknightmarket.com. There's a tab that says donate, and there it will list all 3 initiatives and how you can do that. You can do it through PayPal, you can do it through Cash App, Venmo. We're making it easy. You can also do checks. So
I love that. I love that. So for people who have never been to a holiday Black Night Market, and it's different from other events you do. What can we look forward to this winter? Because I always look forward to this.
So the holiday markets is where it's more festive. We have performances that are for the holidays, you know, from singers, poetry, our jazz band, our DJ playing music. We have activities like making ornaments and the vendors that are selling items that you can gift to your family.
That's right. That's right. Absolutely. So when we think about how local creatives or food vendors want to get involved, how do they get involved? Is it too late to be involved for this year, or are you still taking applications?
We're always taking applications. So even if it was closed and you sign up, you'll be in the next round of vendors for the next emails that go out and saying there's opportunities. But it's really easy and simple. You can email us, you can message us directly through Facebook or Instagram, or go to the website blacknightmarket.com and click the Contact Us page. You can also go to the tabs that say Soul Food Festival or Holiday Market, and on those pages specifically there will be like a vendor sign up or a sponsor sheet.
Okay, lastly, let's talk about Poetry After Dark, which has really grown into something special. Share with us how that program connects your mission and what people experience when they attend.
So our mission is to highlight performers and businesses. And with Poetry After Dark, we're able to hold a space for local creatives and community members to share their poetry, their songs, and their stories. This year, with the Tacoma Arts Community Project, we started a poetic concert segment where we actually pay 2 artists to open the mic for us. So it's a really great experience. Our first one, we had a saxophonist, and then our second one, we had a guitarist, and it's just really great.
You continue to pick up speed in the most brilliant, anointed way. I just can't tell you how much I love you, Mari. Thank you for all that you do for the city of Tacoma.
Thank you.
And I want you back on the couch sooner than later, okay? All right.
Okay.
When we come back, I'm going to be hanging out with Miguel over there, finding out what is babka and what is that chocolate he has in that container. You don't want to miss that. We'll be right back.